How to get empty display name on Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Roblox application on a device and make sure that you are logged in to your account. After logging into your account, what you can see is this home page over here. So what you have to simply do is tap on the profile or the more option over here at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the profile option over here, and as you tap on profile, you'll be able to see your username or display name over here. So tap on this pencil icon below beside your name, and as you do that, you can see the name over here. Now as you cancel this one, you can see there's no option or there's no way possible that you can get empty display name. You have to have a display name that should have at least 3 characters, and this is the primary public name others user will get to see for you on Roblox. So there's no way to get empty display name on Roblox for now. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.